Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Views in San Jose. We're in our warehouse and I'm gonna talk about some water leaks and water damages. Maybe some of you ever seen the videos where you come home from the vacation, there's a huge leak in your house, so you need to do the full remodeling, something like that. And it's not a pleasant experience. Now we have many cool features where you can prevent something like that. You can go somewhere and you would know that nothing is happening in terms of the water leaks in your house. It could be small leaks, it could be large leaks where it's a danger for your property. And some of the things that you could use is you could use some equipment like this. It's a water shut-off valve that we can install as a fuse. If it detects a water leak, it's gonna turn off the whole water in your house. One thing is you can have multiple pucks, like sensors, installed in different locations throughout your house. You can place one in the kitchen sink, you can place in a bathroom, laundry, different locations. So whenever it detects a leak at any of those locations, it's gonna turn off the main valve. Second option is to install a special unit that's gonna monitor your water usage, and once it detects that the water usage is abnormal, it's gonna turn off it again. So two different items available, and we do installation of this. It's very popular because people want a peace of mind when it comes to the water, and it's gonna be a hidden problem. Please contact us for this, and we'll send you an estimate, or we can come out and take a look what's going on. We have a set prices, and it's very quick installation, but it would help you down the line. Thank you for watching, and please contact us and we'll help you.